Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So I have been talking about the importance of part A, which is General Aptitude part in CSIR NET exam, and why is it so important to prepare for it. I have been talking about in my previous videos, and if you are preparing for CSIR NET exam, you already know it is a part of the exam from where you can get 30 marks in your score. Right now the question was that from where you can prepare it, or what are the resources that you can use to do that. So we have tried to solve that, and for that sake I have launched our new course for CSIR NET part A preparation, which is a score booster course for CSIR NET part A. Now there are few very interesting things about this course. Okay, so let me talk about everything in this particular video, and what are the things you are going to get, and how you can get this, or how you can enroll into the course, and all the related stuffs. Okay, so we'll be talking about that. First of all, this course is not only for CSIR NET exam, but in any exam wherever General Aptitude is asked, you can basically give this, or you can basically prepare from this course. You can prepare for GATE exam also, you can prepare for IIT JAM also, or any exam wherever General Aptitude is asked. The name is kept CSIR NET because for now questions mostly are the questions which are covered in the course are from CSIR NET portion. Okay, that's why. But in future we'll be adding more questions from GATE and from IIT JAM, so that it becomes a one-stop solution for all the things. Okay, so what I have covered in this particular course are four very interesting things. Number one is the strategy, how to prepare, from where to study, these related things like how to approach General Aptitude part, how to choose a question, how to pick and choose questions. So that will be the strategy part. Second thing is I have covered previous year's questions. I have done like detailed solution, video solution of previous year's question, and these solutions are not only just I have solved the question, I have explained what concept is involved to solve that question. Then I have also explained that in exam, if this type of question is asked, whether I will pick the question or I will skip the question. So that is very interesting thing which I have included in this particular like video solution. And then of course how to solve the question is of course given in that, and also like how to make judgment about whether to continue solving this question or skip and go to the next one. So these things are covered in the video solution. So that's the second exciting thing about this course. The third exciting thing over here is that you get a lot of questions to practice from, and these questions are not only from the previous years, okay, just like the questions from the previous years. Of course they are there because you need to practice previous years questions. So for that sake we have taken questions from CSIR June 2017 till CSIR December 2025. So overall 15 question papers or 15 exams have been covered in this course. All the questions from General Aptitude part are over here, and these are in the form of quiz. So you will get question and the four options. You can choose just like you sit in the exam. In the same way you will get that experience. And then once you answer those questions, you will get the solution of that, and not in the form of video, but these solutions are in the form of text. Okay, you will be getting detailed solution, step-by-step solution of those questions. The next thing which is included in the same is topic wise questions. So it is also important to practice like topic wise question. For example, if you just want to practice questions from average related question, or ratio related question, or speed and time related questions, so these are also provided over here in the same form, in the form of quiz, and you get detailed solution of them. So let's say if you want to solve questions from ratio related things, so you will be getting all the questions from that particular topic like asked in a different way, and on each topic you will get around 30 to 50 questions, and there are different number of topics. I'll show you when I will be showing you this the course page. I'll show you how it looks and how many topics are there. So there are almost all the topics which are asked in CSIR NET exam, all of them are combined together in that. And the last thing which is covered, which is very important, which I have also done on a lot of part of that I have done on YouTube, is a concept, and based on that concept solving previous year questions. So these are short videos in which I have explained how to solve a question or important formula of a particular concept. For example, let's say train and speed related questions. So what are the concept behind, or what are the formula related to that type of questions, and then I have taken previous year's questions which are asked on that topic from previous few years and tried to solve them in that video. So in that sense we will be having not only knowledge of the topic or knowledge of the formula involved in those type of question, but also how to solve those questions. Okay, so again, there are different topics which I have covered in that, and this is whole package what you are getting in this particular course. The price has been kept very minimal so that almost all of you can afford it. So the price is kept rupees 799 as the launch price. This price is only kept for a limited time. It will be extended a little bit more, so we are offering a lower price for the early birds who are joining this course initially. Okay, and a very important thing about the validity of course, so it does not matter whenever you purchase this course, you are going to get a validity of 6 months. So that day from when you will purchase this course, you will get a 6-month validity for this particular course, so you will be able to use it for 6 months. Now I'll take you to the course page. I'll show you how it looks, what are the things you are going to get. Whatever I have explained you, I'll just show you how it looks, and then I will show you how you can actually purchase this course, how you can make the purchase of that. And yeah, this will be the next part of the video. So let's go to my computer screen now. Alright, so from the link given in the description of this video, all you have to do is come up to our website. This is the page where we provide all our courses. So in case if you're not aware about it, Zeta batch is also running for those who are preparing for upcoming CSIR NET exam, which is expected to be in July. So this is for that physical chemistry course. If you want, you can purchase that. But we'll be talking about the CSIR NET score booster course. So you click on this, and this is the page where you are going to come up with. Okay, and as you can see, the price, the early price is 799, and it's a limited time offer, so you can purchase it as of now. In future, if the price will increase, so you might see elevated price, so that is a totally different thing. So it's like these are the things which are given to you, like what are the things you are going to get in this course, all this information over here. And all you have to do is click on this buy now button, and then basically you have to fill your details. You can just complete this payment using any of these mode, like you can use UPI, card, or any of the method to make this payment. Okay, and once you make the payment, you will be able to access this course. Before that, you have to actually log in. If you have not logged in, it will ask you to log in, so remember your credential, and using that you can do it. Okay, so that's the way how you can purchase this course. I'm now going to show you what are the things you are going to get in this course. Alright, now I'm going to show you how the course is going to look like. So once you purchase the course, once you enroll into it, this is how you are going to get something like this. Now on the left side of the screen are the things which you are going to get. So as I said, you will be getting strategy blueprint. There are 3 videos in this where I have discussed about like how to prepare for it, how to attempt part A, and what are the mistakes you can avoid. Will be including more videos in this. But the next thing is you have full exam solution, as I said. So there are solution of CSIR December 2025 full aptitude part, then you have June 2025 full aptitude part, and December 2024. And these are not only video solution, but they also have solving strategy involved. So what strategy you have to apply to solve these questions, that is also included in this. Okay, the next thing which you are going to get, that is what I was telling. It has PYQs plus Topicwise practice questions. So you see questions from CSIR December 2025 all the way till June 2027 are included over here. All the questions of part A. So this is your PYQ part, and then the Topicwise practice questions. So you have questions from aptitude, probability, sequence and series, speed and distance, permutation combination, profit law, simple and compound interest, ratio and proportion, geometry and mensuration, data interpretation, arithmetic progression, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, logical reasoning, vocabulary. All these things are included in this particular thing, right? And then at the end we also have concept and formula related things. So these are the videos where I have discussed the concept, like for probability, what are the important formula, what is the concept of probability, and taken previous year's questions so that I can show you how to solve those questions based upon the concept which you have learned. In the same way it is for AP, that is arithmetic progression, train related, speed and time, geometric progression, average, lines and angles, data interpretation, area and ratio. So this is a whole package which you are getting. More videos will be added in this concept and formula mastery. So when you will be watching or when you will be enrolled, probably you will be getting few more topics in this. But yeah, as of now itself, it's a heavy information and lot of things included in this package, so that if you're preparing for your exam, you get a complete information about it, complete knowledge about it, and when you sit in the exam and when you start solving part A question, you feel confidence about solving question. That's the logic, or that's the core idea about designing this courses, right? So that's it for this particular video. I hope that you will enroll into this course. As I said, it's pretty simple how to enroll into it, and for the coming CSIR NET exam, I believe this is going to be really important for you, and it can easily add 15 to 20 marks in your scorecard from part A if you cover this entire syllabus or entire course properly. So that's it from my side for this particular video. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.